Today we are working on the RTS 2026 model. It's a graphics system. But as you can see from the design of the system, there's the charger. We're having a 19 volts from the charging port. So let's see what will happen here. Now, if you look at a very simple design, there's the first switch in MOSFET, and there's the second switch. Then if we come here, we are having, with the charger plugged in, we are having 19 volts. And we come out here, the output of this first MOSFET is giving us 0 volt. That is to say, the first MOSFET is bad. It's not giving out voltage to the second switching MOSFET. So you see we have a padding that look like a ground, but those are not ground initially. Those are like test points. Those are connected to the 19 volt line. As you can see, let's go to beep mode. We're on beep mode, and there's a current sensor, and you can see it beeps. This padding are connected to the 19 volts, and when you go to the actual ground, you see there's nothing. So if you take this to be a ground, you thought there's a short on the board, whereas there's no short on the board. So we are going to take off this MOSFET and replace this MOSFET, then we'll be back with you. 2-channel MOSFET on a scrap board. This also is a 2-channel MOSFET. Yeah, we have it, and let's deliver it. I think that's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Just allow it to cool down. So now we replace the MOSFET. As you can see, we replace it. So now we want to inject voltage into it. And this is the 19 volts, 19.1 volts. So we're coming in to inject the voltage. Then we're testing on the current sensor. As you can see, we have a 19 volts from the current sensor. That indicates that the board is okay. With this way, the board can power on. So let's assemble the system and let's get back to it.